today is our second day, and this is this is how it looks like. So this is the cold syrup. So this is what happened after adding the citric acid and the salicylic acid and the water after 24 hours. And you're taking this and we're going to put it through a sieve. So you are going to take this and continue, and you're going to take that spoon and mash it all in, so all the seeds will stay. And then you see underneath all the pure juice is there. Now make sure that when you do this, all your surface have to be very clean. Should be no any crumbs of any breads or anything around, because in the moment you have any crumbs or anything falls into this, is going to spoil your entire cold syrup. So you continue doing this until the entire thing is done. So now you are going to, okay, so when you are done, you have your pure juice. You can actually use this little bit of leftover stuff and put it in an extra pot, and especially if you have bigger pieces of fruits left over, you can have a little bit of water to soak it in there and then mash it one more time. Now we come back to this juice, and then once you're done, you have your scale and you actually pour all the juices in, because now is going to be the sugar time. You're going to be adding every liter of this wonderful juice. We'll have 1 kilo of sugar mixed into that, and then mix it really well in the bottle. So let's see the next step. Okay, so we got the fact that we have right now 5.5 liters of the juice, and we have crystallized sugar. So all this sugar is going in. So 5.5 kilos of sugar goes in here. Okay, one at a time, and you're gonna have to start stirring, and it's going to be standing as long as it's gonna be dissolved. You cannot use the powdered sugar, the icing sugar, because it has other ingredients in there, so you must use the crystallized sugar. So the best way is to let it sit and keep stirring it frequently. All the sugar goes in there. So remember, this is a concentrate. The sugar and all the other ingredients that's in there, the citric acid, salicylic acid, keeps it all that it will stay fresh. So this is a cold syrup, nothing is cooked, remember that. When you want to use brown sugar in there, you also can. Then again, glycemic index still the same, intermediate, so no worries. It's a fresh concentrate. So our pot is almost full because of the sugar is all in there. So make sure you're using a separate spoon which never cooked anything else, but you're using it for making your syrup. Like that. So once you had enough of stirring, you can just take the lid back, let it sit a little bit, put it aside, and then let it sit, and once in a while you stir it, so it will take a few hours until it dissolves all, and let it be dissolved all the way, and then it can go to bottles